Hi, my name is AC Catalan, and I'm going to be doing my groupthink presentation assignment. So, starting with the scenario and the environment. The scenario, there is this coworker we all love as a person, but we all collectively agree that her work ethic has been very poor, for a lack of a better term. She likes to converse among the group about her FEMLA, which stands for Family Medical Leave Act, that it allows the employee to be protected against a false expulsion due to family or health conditions. Our coworker likes to talk to us about how she uses her FEMLA to call off on scheduled work days and show up for her incentive days, where she will be still able to get the extra payout. My role in the group think, there is really no leader in this group think, but I am a member. We collectively agreed that this was an issue because it does affect the group work ethic and morale of the unit. Group behavior and warning signs. Group behavior, there are 8 types of groupthink, and I think that this issue falls under the third type. According to Borkowski and Mies, 2021, the third type listed under the first number is self-censorship of deviation from the apparent group consensus, reflecting each member's inclination to minimize to themselves the importance of their doubts and counter-arguments. So, reflecting on the situation, nobody doubted their assumptions about the situation and the issue towards this person because it continued to affect the group's work ethic. Warning signs to look out for. There are safeguards to avoid groupthink according to the textbook. So the first one is soliciting outside expert opinions during the decision-making process. The second is appointing a devil's advocate to challenge majority views. Third is hypothesizing alternative scenarios of a rival's intention. And the last one is reconsidering decisions after a waiting period. So was there pressure to conform? According to Kuhn from the link that was shared through this week's module, once present, groupthink is perniciously robust in that it feeds on its own results. The more group members think alike, the better and happier they feel, which reinforces their conformed behaviors. Everyone seemed to have the same thoughts, it just depended on who was going to make these inward thoughts come out. Overall behavior and performance and role effect. The behavior was unsettling because everyone decided that they would not like to go out of their way to help this coworker because this coworker had left us short-staffed for an entire month while sharing their plans of taking advantage of their FEMLA. This did not, however, affect the performance because everyone adapted and overcame, but it did affect the behavior due to their attitudes changing for this coworker. Steps to prevent groupthink. The key to resisting groupthink is attentive decision making, according to Kuhn from the link that was sent, the article that was sent through this week's module, or blog, however. At least one person in the group needs to be a critical thinker to argue opposed sides to challenge the majority influenced decisions. This can also relay back to the group warning signs, because as long as you identify that the groupthink is being present, you can utilize the group warning signs to avoid the groupthink from affecting the performance and behavior of the overall, in this case, in our scenario, the unit's thoughts and ideas towards this person. So, thank you for listening to my presentation, and have a good day.